Today I'm going to be replacing the coil on this 94 F150 with the 4.9 liter straight 6. Alright, so the coil is down in here, and there's one plug-in that we need to unplug, and then the spark plug wire that goes to it we need to unplug. And then there are 4 bolts on each, there's one on each corner that hold that on. So this plug has a little clip on this other side here that needs to be pried back. So you can see right there, that piece needs to be pried back. Alright, so we've got everything unplugged from that. These bolts are 5.5 millimeter. Here is the replacement part that I got for this. Just went ahead and ordered this off of Rock Auto. That looks to be the same part. So let's go ahead and bolt it back on. So now we just need to plug everything back up. Alright, so let's see if the truck will start now, since we had a no spark situation before. So replacing the coil on this truck did not fix our no spark issue, so we've got some more digging to do on this truck. But anyway, that's how you replace the coil. Thanks for watching, and God bless.